Welcome back. I have gathered my materials. It turns out that the magic serum doesn't actually kill. So our subject in the background is experiencing excruciating pain, but he's not yet dead. Okay, so he's...
Did I just get brainwashed?
Nope. And now for the real magic. For this trick, you will need a glass of water
And a finger.
and a towel. Yes, yes. Now
It's gonna be really awesome.
now what we do is we have you undead person, you hold this at an angle so that we can see what I'm doing. Yes? Okay. So we need a charger. We need a charger.
Excuse me, we just gotta go somewhere.
Yeah. We'll be right back. Just look at the next video, yes?
Yeah.